Welcome to Monday. We're gonna make a smoothie. Ruben's helping me by putting the strawberries in. Now we're gonna grind it all up. I may need to add some more orange juice. Let's make some juice. We're done. Now we're gonna divvy it up for Mommy and Ruben. Ruben gets some juice and Mommy gets some juice. Yummy, 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 yummy juice. I always make a little bit too much. All right. There's our snack. And then we're going to go to the park. We are back from the park and eating lunch. Here's Ruben's lunch. And Mommy's having the same thing. Mommy's lunch. Yummy. Hey guys, I'm just about to do all the dishes, clean up the house, and get my life organized. Are we gonna get organized, Ruben? Ruben's here eating the peas and carrots out of the pot. Are you eating the peas and carrots out of the pot? Yeah. Yep. All right, let's get the dishes done. Here's our finished food. I made some acorn squash, some chicken, and then some sauteed
Ruben's turn.
Green beans and some oil and stuff. Ruben does not seem to like the squash very much.
Try it again.
Yummies! I made myself a paleo mug cake in a bowl because my husband used my mug yesterday.
There were no clean dishes, so I used a mug.
You should have washed them. I'm just kidding, it's fine. And Ruben has some nuts he's walking around with.
Can you say nuts?
We're going to listen to some radio. And relax. Yay! Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. We're eating breakfast. Ruben has the same thing for breakfast every single day because breakfast is the hardest meal for me because I'm always really tired. He has coconut yogurt, sometimes some fruit. I gave him some raspberries and he ate them all, and a piece of toast. I usually have some coconut yogurt with some raspberries in it. Mine's plain. And some toast. Mine's toasting though. Ruben didn't want his toasted this morning, so it's just plain. Plain toast. Plain a toast. What you doing? Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Yummies. I'm actually wearing a full face of makeup today. I don't know if you can tell. It's my first time ever trying this. Are we at Amazement Square with Grandma? Are we at Amazement Square?
Hey, Ruben. You could take one of me and him if you want.
All right, I'll take a...
You want to go up? Be very tall. Come over here and be very tall for the camera. There.
We decided to go to Amazement Square with Grandma and Mommy.
Come here.
All right, we are at Ivy Creek Park, and we're going to go on a nature walk with some homeschooling friends. We got here about 10 minutes early, so we're just going down to the playground to wait.
Playground?
It's overcast and cold. I'm wishing I wore more layers, but we're going to have fun. Aren't we going to have fun? Are we on a nature walk? Yeah, because and then like immediately after. Oops. Yeah, there's water down there. Be careful, baby. Oops. I see the water. Do you want some nursies?
I told you to come here.
You want some nursies?
You have a mud mustache.
You okay?
Oh, baby Will. Are you on, Mama?
You know, I was worried about that, and then as soon as I got pregnant with Annie, Gabriel just
We just got back from hiking and we're eating lunch at Zoe's kitchen. And we're waiting for Daddy to come. Daddy's gonna meet us here. Is Daddy gonna come? Ruben's eating his rice that he loves. Yummy rice. We are home now. We had a good nap from all of our Friday adventures. That's a potato that's growing eyes, so Mommy's gonna cook it. I'm going to roast all these wonderful things and make some chicken.
Too big.
It's too big? Mommy's gonna cut it up. It's broccoli. Big broccoli.
Chop it.
Let's chop. All right, guys, we're having dinner. It's chicken and lots of veggies. Here's Daddy's dinner. Here's the mess from all the roasted veggies. Here's Mommy's dinner. It's gonna be good. Yes, it's hot. Just blow on it. Hey guys, we're going swimming at the YMCA with the little boy. We're home now. We're doing diaper laundry. I just finished cleaning the living room. My husband's outside pulling up our deck because we're going to redo it this summer. We wanted to do it last summer, but Ruben being an infant, that did not work. I just bought some new makeup too that I'm really excited about. It is fair trade and I believe very natural. I read the ingredients and I really liked what it had in it. I got some blush and some liquid foundation. And then I got some organic rose hip oil as a moisturizer. So that's the end of the vlog. I really miss daily vlogging and I wish I had time to do it, but I just don't. I don't have time. Yeah, the camera. Can you say goodbye? Yeah. Let's go upstairs and play with makeup and look for the iPad. Yeah, let's go. Are you swinging?